Hi there, this is Dr. Ole with Central Iowa Neuropathy. Today I'm joined by Di. She came into us about 3 months ago.
Yes.
And she's been suffering with neuropathy. So tell us a little bit about what was going on, how long you've been suffering.
Where I also have fibromyalgia, but I was having more trouble with my feet than usual. I was having trouble falling because I couldn't feel my feet when I got up to walk.
Oh, jeez.
So I saw an ad for Optimal Health on Facebook, and I thought, I'm going to give it a shot. So I did, and I'm glad I did.
Awesome. So we just had your test results back, which they were crazy insane.
Yeah.
But when we were going through the results, you were telling me about what you've been able to do now. So what have you been able to do now since starting care?
Well, before I came, I have 4 steps into my house, and I would have to grab onto something to step up every step. And I've noticed like 3 or 4 days this week, I've been able to walk up without holding on to anything and being able to use my feet and my calves and feeling that to walk. So
that's awesome.
That was mind-blowing to me.
How's your balance been?
My balance is better,
Awesome.
especially when I go to walk after getting up from sitting for a long period of time. It was an awful feeling to not be able to feel your feet when you walked. And it's kind of more awesome now to be able to know that you're stable and secure.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah. I'm so glad for the results for you, and hopefully this helps someone out there, reaches someone that's probably suffering with similar symptoms to you. And so, if you've been dealing with these sort of things, give us a call. We're here to help. We'd love to see how we could help you. Once again, Central Iowa Neuropathy. You can reach us at 515-505-3700. Have a great day.